welcome to Daddy Jack's Cooking with the Blues. So this is inspiration from my friend Yamani Albert down in North Carolina, Fayetteville. He's setting it on fire down there, straight drop seafood. I'm so impressed with him. Veteran, came out of the Army, and he opened 2 restaurants last year. Now he's open in Fayetteville. He's opened a 3rd one in Wilmington. I can't believe it. My hat, if I wore a hat, well, I got a Patriots cap. Go Patriots, Super Bowl bound. But anyway, we won't go there right now. But Yamani, this is for you. A straight drop shrimp and hot Italian sausage and a little bit of corn. We're doing it New England style. Well, you're my inspiration on this dish. So, my green onions. See how you... Take it nice and easy, go nice and slow. The nice thin sliced green onions. So, what we're gonna do, this is gonna be a 1 skillet dish. So I got a hot Italian sausage here, so this here is, I tell you what, I've got all the sausages out of New Haven, all the top, Italian sausage makers, Orsini's, but this is some stuff I use, from, I get it at Restaurant Depot. It's a nice little, it's got a lot of fat in it. Ran out of Orsini's sausage, so this is what we got to use, Glenn. But here, so this is, so what I'm going to do is get a nice, brown these up real nice. And then got a little bit of really nice peppers. So I did that. Even got a little bit of this here. Don't waste it if you can help it. So I'm just going to use the ends of it. I use some corn wheels. Careful with these here. Okay. A little bit of red onion, not too much. Hear that sizzle going on, Glenn?
Sounds good.
You know something good's happening. All right. So come over here. There, I didn't cut it through. What the heck? Yeah, I did.
Yeah.
What the heck? I didn't, man. I'm slipping. It's gonna kind of be in the style of the peel and eat. I'm going to use here. I make my own blackened seasoning, but I ordered up a little bit of Paul Prudhomme's blackened seasoning. I turn the fire down because I don't want a lot of color in the dish right now. Okay. A little bit of lemon. Just a little bit of Frank's Red Hot. Give it a little pizzazz. There's a little bit of water if you want to steam it all together. Now I'm going to blast it. We'll be right back. Just a little bit more water. A couple tablespoons. All right, let's check her out. Woo! I think it needs a little bit more Cajun magic. Oh my goodness. Woo! Another minute or so while that garlic bread's cooking. And that's real time, man. We're talking like 3 minutes, 4 minutes. I'm gonna actually turn this over so the bottom's gonna cook too. Oh my God, this is gonna be off the charts. Cindy's gonna want some of this, but only way is if you come on camera. Otherwise, you don't eat.
I starve.
All right. Oh yeah, look at that. That's like a 2-minute garlic bread. Okay. So here's where we're gonna do it. Go, Cindy. Okay. All right, Grant, let's check it. Oh my goodness. Huh? I think we did it again. I'm not sure.
Killed it.
But here, look. Watch me now. Don't waste anything. Don't waste any of that good flavor. The good time. We call that the good time sauce. Oh my goodness. Oh. Okay. So how I serve it, I go just like this, put it right on the table. Okay, hold on, we're not done yet. My brother Emerald put the Johnson Wales together. This is for you, brother. So that's how I send it out to the table, but we're not doing that. We're gonna have a little bit right here. Right chunk, as they say. Oh, jeez. My goodness. Oh my God. Glenn.
You gotta dip the bread in there. Yeah.
Glenn.
Yeah.
I think we've outdid ourselves here. Oh.
Oh my God.
This is for my friends. The Emerald. This is for my friend Nathan Peck. Down in Dallas, Nate Seafood. Love you, brother. My Cajun. The best Cajun chef I know, David Leaks. Also on par with Nate. My brother, my friend David Leaks, I worked with him at the Fairmont Hotel. He taught me all about the Cajun, Louisiana soul food. And Jeremy Smyers, I know you're gonna look at this and make it your own. I have all the faith in you. God bless.
Oh.